Activist investor Carl Icahn has set his sights on biotechnology companies. This year, Icahn has reached deals that have given him control of board seats at biotech leader Genzyme and forced the ouster of the CEO at Biogen. But in an industry that depends on new developments, how do you strike the right balance between innovation and independence? Joining us now is Dr. Phillip Sharp, a pioneer and leader in biotechnology. For more than 30 years, in 1978, he founded Biogen with several other biologists. And he's the winner of the 1993 Nobel Prize for Medicine for the discovery of split genes. Well, Dr. Sharp, welcome to Bloomberg News. Good to have you on.
Oh, thank you very much. Nice to be with you.
Dr. Sharp, I mentioned Carl Icahn, and he has said that he thinks that biotech companies should be sold to pharma companies, quoting him, at the right price. Do you agree with that assessment?
Well, I think there's a time in any company to look at the option of being acquired. The nice thing about some companies like Biogen Idec is that they have both the potential of growth as a freestanding company and an attractive target for being acquired.
When you say growth, how much growth are we talking about, especially in this economic environment?
Well, I think Biogen Idec has been doing something like top-line growth at 15 to 20% and bottom line at 10 to 15%, which has been a fairly healthy growth in this economy.
Well, what is the climate right now for startups in biotech?
Oh, it's very tough for small companies in biotech starting to get started now. I think availability of venture capital has been very tight, and I think even secondary markets for subsequent investments have been very tight as well. So this is a difficult time to take new technology into the marketplace.
Would you rather see biotech companies remain independent?
Well, I think there's a strong reason, particularly for small companies, where they're taking new technology and developing it, for it to be an independent organization. As they become more vertically integrated in marketing, then always the option is there of being acquired or forming a relationship with a larger company or remaining independent. I think both have to be looked at continuously.
Dr. Sharp, I wanted to get a little bit into Alnylam, where you are at right now. Talk to us about some of the things that you learned at Biogen that you are applying there now.
Well, Alnylam is a small company focused on using RNA as a therapeutic agent, and it's a very broad platform company. If this technology works, it can be used in cancer and metabolic diseases, a whole host of different opportunities. And to have a group of people of 200 or so, which is the size of the company now, focused on technology and moving it into the clinical testing phase is really what you can do as a small organization very effectively.
Dr. Sharp, a lot of new technologies that are in the early stages. Any things come to mind that you would like to see moved more quickly in the pipeline toward human testing?
Well, I think there's a lot. RNAi is one of those. And, you know, we have major unmet needs in terms of new therapeutic opportunities in Alzheimer's and Parkinson's and a whole host of other conditions that we just dramatically need new treatments for to reduce the healthcare costs and to get more effective treatment.
Dr. Sharp, how do you meet those needs?
You meet those needs by taking new technology, investing in it, and being able to move it as rapidly as possible into being available to patients. I mean, that's the only way to meet those needs and to do it as efficiently as you can.
Dr. Sharp, might I ask, when you won your Nobel Prize, was there a sense, I guess, in the community in which you are, that there was more of a sense of exploration, more of a sense that, at least in the United States, that in terms of medicine and research, that there was more backing, say, from the federal government?
Well, when I did the prize work in '77, there was a moment of expansion in terms of biomedical research. As we move forward, we've made continuous investments, and it's paid off enormously. And I see opportunities for further investment. It's not the explosive field it was in terms of investments 20 years ago. But it is still a very exciting field with new things to offer to a lot of benefits of people.
Dr. Phillip Sharp, Biogen co-founder, Nobel Prize winner for medicine. Dr. Sharp, good to have you on. Thank you so much.
Thank you.